Welcome to my vlog. I'll just cook fried fish, additional food for today. We still have the adobo that I cooked yesterday. This is only, see, I fried the fish. This high in iodine, omega-3 fatty acid. We still have leftover adobo in a little sinigang salmon. But I need to cook this. Maybe that's not enough because only little by little. Yeah. Happy Thursday, everyone! Almost weekend again. How many days more and it's weekend? Tomorrow is already Friday. Saturday, maybe I'm gonna visit the clinic where I can start my training. I'm gonna be in the clinic. My training is in the clinic or in the home care, sometimes in the hospital. It's healthcare job. Training for healthcare job. Oh, sorry po. I want in the hospital. I want in the hospital. I need to cook this before Ether is coming home. I'm gonna pick up Ether later. She's coming home for 4:35. When she was here, I'm gonna play with her because she gonna feel boring if she don't have playmate.